to another Xavier Spade Tutorial video. Do you have one of these at home? Do you guys have one of these where one side he's like sad and then on the other side he's happy?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Xavier Spade, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the JW grip vanish in production and some things to do with it. So let's just break right into it. All right, guys, so the JW grip, or the Jimmy Wilson grip, was created back in like the 1940s or something like that, and it was forgotten for a long time until in the last bunch of years magicians have been using it as these open hand displays to show that a coin is either there or it's not. You can pretty much use any size coin that you want. I'm going to be using a quarter, a half dollar, and a silver dollar. So if you want to see what the silver dollar looks like, it looks like this. Same kind of thing. And let's just break right into it. Go grab your coins. Go grab them. I'm waiting. Did you get them? Go get a coin. Doesn't matter what it is. And let's start going into the JW grip. First, I'm going to show you what the grip is. I'll do it in this camera right here. You're going to take the coin. You're going to take your index finger. And you're going to grip the coin like that. That is the grip. Notice how my fingers are spread here. Now, if I turn my hand, you'll see, you can still see the coin. That's until I bring my middle finger down and then just relax these fingers. And now it looks like I have an open hand. So if I bring my other hand close to it, it looks really similar. So that's the point of the vanish, this moment right here. So how do you get into this? So the typical way I've seen a lot of people get into this is to do almost like a grab. So you just grab the coin, and then what you're going to do behind the coin is you're going to shift into this position and then go to here. So this hand basically takes the coin, you shift the coin into position, and then you're going to display it like this. So here's what it looks like here. So you come here to there. Now what's happening behind my hand is this. I'm shifting the coin almost like a retention vanish. I'm doing this, and then my thumb is pushing that coin up into the grip, and then my index finger just relaxes around it, and my fingers, other fingers relax. So it looks like this underneath that, behind the hand, and it looks like this with the hand. So that's it. That's the vanish. So you come here, you do this, bam, and without the hand there, it looks like this, and with the hand, it looks like this. So the hand really does a lot of the covering of the grip. Now, keep in mind, I've always thought this was a good vanish for people who wear glasses. So the reason being, right, if I come to here and then I vanish the coin, I can fix my glasses. This makes sense to be in this position. But otherwise, you'll see people doing all these weird kind of hand motions, and I don't know what to think of it, to be honest. It's kind of strange to me. But, you know, maybe you're fixing your hat or something like that. Might be an interesting way to load it. I don't know. I think it's good if you have something to do with this hand by your face instead of just kind of waving your hands around. With that, I'm going to show you how to change the coin into something else. And then I'm going to ultimately show you how to produce it from your eye, because I think that's a really cool way to produce the coin. So for this, I'm going to use a sponge ball and a silver dollar. And the silver dollar is going to be changing into the sponge ball. So here's what it looks like. Sponge ball goes in the hand, I go to vanish the coin, the sponge ball is produced, and then I come back. Now I'm going to show you everything, including how to clean up, because I bring my hand down at one point, and if you were around me, you would kind of see it, so you don't want that to happen. The sponge ball goes in the hand, finger palm. You're going to take the silver dollar, and you're going to do that first vanish. You're going to bring your hand up, you're going to go in front of the coin, you're going to do the JW grip, but this time you're just going to grab the sponge ball and produce it. Now, as this hand takes the sponge ball, the hand with the coin is going to do a couple of things. One, it's going to pinch the coin, right? So you're just going to pinch it a little bit so the coin goes into here, and then your thumb is just going to lever it down into the palm, to the finger palm. So it looks like this, and that's basically it. So you come from here to here. Now, keep in mind with this JW grip that if I'm doing this, let's say, to somebody in front of me, I can potentially flash to the right, and I'm definitely going to be flashing to the left. So this is pretty much a head-on kind of thing, or you have to move your audience back. Guys like Eric Jones do routines like this all the time with people around them, and it doesn't flash because he understands his angles and he knows how to play with them and blocking, and there's things you need to consider. You want to keep aware of those angles. You don't want to tilt down, you don't want to tilt to the right, you don't want to tilt to the left. You want to keep this directly in line with your eyes until you learn how to do things. With this, you can change a coin into a sponge ball. You could change a coin into another coin. So you could come here, here's a quarter to a silver dollar. You can do that. So what I like to do is just kind of produce it from my eyes. So I'm going to use the $50, and it kind of looks like this. Let's put that back. And that's it. That's the whole thing. So you basically start in JW grip, and you're going to turn your head so that they can kind of see more of this area of your face, right? Because it's going to be better when you produce the coin than if you do it like this behind your hand. So this is actually a better angle for this. So you're going to play with your eye, right? Act like something's bothering you. And then you're gonna go in front and produce the coin directly into your eye. And to produce the coin, all you're going to do is from JW grip, you're gonna tilt your hand forward and push out. That's it. So this is the whole move. This is the whole move. Just there. So here to there. So you're gonna do that into your eye. So you come here. This hand comes up. You produce the coin into your eye, and then you just kind of leave it there for a second and pinch it with your eye. Right? And then you can pull this thing out. Now what I like to do is then pretend to clean it, blow on it, and then I'm gonna do the vanish. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna come over to here, I'm gonna take the contact lens, and then I'm gonna go straight to my eye with this hand open my eye and pretend to place this in there, and then come out like this. And then my hands go straight down. All right, so here's what it looks like in full motion. And that's it. That's my little contact lens routine. Now, I've seen people do this with actual lenses and stuff, and it looks really dope. I just happen to do it with the coin because I have the coin on me. But you can play around with this idea and do some other things. Practice that routine. Have fun with it. Tell me what you like about the JW grip and how you use it, or how you will. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified of my next tutorial. And I will see you guys very soon. I love all of you. Peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.